This is the 2.1 review on demand. Demand is the different quantities of goods consumers are willing and able to buy at different prices. Willing and able are important because if they aren't willing, they won't buy it. And if they are able, they can't buy it. Okay? So this represents the law of demand. So quantity and price have an inverse relationship when it comes to demand, as you can see right there. And the law of demand relates to three things. The substitution effect. As price goes up, consumers buy less of the product where the price went up, and they buy the substitute more. And two is the income effect. If price goes down, the purchasing power of the consumer goes up, and they are able to buy more. We'll come back to that later to talk about inferior and normal goods. 3. Law of diminishing marginal utility. The more you buy of any good, the less satisfaction you get. For example, a carton of milk. If you drink one sip of a carton of milk, you'll like it. It tastes great. But if you drink half a gallon, you'll start to like it less and you'll want to throw up. Now, back to the demand curve. There are 3 shifts in demand. 5 different things that can change demand. 1, taste and preferences. If you don't like the thing, if society overall doesn't like the item, they'll buy it less. Like fidget spinners. The demand for that went down because it went out of trend. Hence, preferences. Number of consumers. If the amount of consumers increases, demand will increase with it. If the amount of consumers decreases, demand will decrease with it. And price of related goods. It says sub and comp. Sub stands for substitutes and comp stands for complements. So if the demand for, let's say, milk goes up, cereal will go up as well. Or if cereal goes up, milk will go up as well. Now, substitute is if the demand for price of related goods. Like if milk goes down, cereal will go. The demand for cereal will increase. And in terms of substitutes, let's say if the price of Epiphany Les Pauls goes down, then Stratocasters, the demand for them would go down with it because Les Pauls are now getting cheaper and they would much rather go for that since it is a better guitar. Income. Income also changes demand. If your income increases, then you have more purchasing power, hence the income effect. If it decreases, then you have less purchasing power and the demand would subsequently decrease. And future expectations. If you an example of future expectations is if you expect this product to do better, then you would buy it. It's similar to that. And back to income. There are inferior and normal goods. Normal goods is what you buy when you have the power to buy it. When you have good money, and inferior is something like cup ramen. When you would buy it if you're poor, something like that. So that is the 2.1 lesson on demand.